when you register on this website, you can get 2 CDs. So the link to this website will be in the description below. So after I have registered, you can buy, I don't know what they are called, farm animals. Like, I don't even know what it's used for. It's renting. But you know me, we'll play it safe. We're not going to invest into these things. We're only here for referrals. So what you want to do is go to my, yes. As you can see, I'm having my current balance is 2 CD because I just registered right now. I've not yet done any deep investigation. I just got it right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to crack the code, see if we can get some quick money. So I'm going to click on share. See, this is my invitation code. Okay, so I've copied it. Okay, so let me try. Let me try it right now. Okay. Let me open a private tab. Okay. So poultryportal.com. Okay, so let's create a new account. Let's register. Okay, so let's paste our invitation code there. Okay, so even this one is here. So the code is here. Okay, so let me input a fake number. 0824433. Random password 1234. Okay, so register. As you can see, we are fully registered. So now let me go and check how much I have in my account right now. So what we want to do is to be doing this. Let's see how much I have. Let me see referrals. Team size 1. Okay, so let me see. Let me read it well. Okay, so I've gotten one who draw or something. Okay, so 2. Okay, so let me click on it. Thanks. Okay, so I got a thanks of first. Thanks. Right. For free. Okay. So referring people doesn't actually give you money. It gives you roulette points, which is bad. It's very bad. We need money. We don't need your points for anything because already we know it's a scam website. We just want to collect some free, maybe 60 Ghana, 100 Ghana, everything. So input another number. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Password 1 2 3 4. Send the register. Register successfully. And go and check. Okay, so let me refresh. So one roulette. Okay, so let's go again. I'm not leaving until making money. I was always going to end on thanks. As you can see, it's always ending on thanks. You can't beat this game. This game is obviously a scam. It's always ending on thanks. How can you play every single game and it's always ending on thanks? That's not even possible. Let's do it again. We're going. 3, 2, 1, 0. Input fake number 5012. Input fake password 1234. Send registered. This is actually a scam website. I don't recommend this website for anyone. This website is bad. It's very bad. We don't need it. It's obviously a scam. How can you invest into poultry animals and get free money. Like, you don't get this anywhere. This is a typical Ponzi scheme. So don't invest your money here. As you can see, we landed on this again. Let me see what I can do. Yeah, the game is rigged, so you can't do anything. Let me see bonus. Mission word 5 CDs. Or is it 5 CDs? Okay, so invite one active member. Okay, let me activate myself and see what I can do. So let me log in. Okay, so I think okay, so I don't recommend this website for anyone. Poultry Portal. Don't try it. It's just a waste of your money. People say that they've done it and it worked. They're lying to you. It's a waste of your money. As you can see, I'm just entering gibberish numbers and that still lets me again register successfully. Like, which website will make you do this? Okay, so let me use a fake number. I'll recall the number and do everything. So I'll see if I'll get the 5 CDs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so send register successful. Okay, so let me log in with the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Login. So I think this. Okay. So we're in. Got this the this is Ponzi. This is a Ponzi scheme. So let me copy and paste that code because they said if we get active people, we are gonna get 5 CDs. Let's see if that is true or not. So I'm put another gibberish 20. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Send register successfully. Let me go back to my normal account and let me see if I've gotten the money. NS NS seems like 6. Okay, still at 2. Okay, so bonus. Like, guys, you can't trust this type of websites. This website are Ponzi schemes. I'm gonna predict it's gonna land at tanks. This is rigged. This game is rigged. It's always gonna land at tanks. Which game is gonna give you a 5 CD for nothing? It's rigged. So stay safe. Don't ever play this game. It's fake. You're not gonna get your money back. How can you buy chicken, poultry, animals and expect to get money like this? Yeah, so feel free to subscribe. Peace.